Good evening to my respected teacher, judges, and everyone present here. Lots of thanks to respected Sushanta sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be a part of this program and to say a few words. Hello friends, I am Sagnik Mondal. Today I want to present some information about our planet Earth. It's our home and we must take care of it. Do you know what makes our Earth so beautiful? It's the green forests, sparkling rivers, happy animals and beautiful flowers. But our Earth is facing big problems. People are cutting trees, polluting rivers, harming animals and making the air dirty. Can we help? Yes, we can definitely help. Plant trees, reduce waste, save water, turn off lights and fans when not needed. Use both sides of paper before throwing it away. Remember, every small action helps. We can make a difference. Imagine a world with clean air, fresh water, happy animals, and green forests. We should reduce, reuse, and recycle. Use bags and bottles again and again. Don't throw plastic paper on the ground. Keep your surroundings clean. Clean your room, school, and neighborhood. Encourage others to also do the same. We can create a green world by reducing. Use reusable bags and containers. Protect animals and their habitats. Don't harm or feed wild animals. Use public transport, walk or cycle. Plant trees in your backyard or community garden. Tell your family and friends about taking care of the earth. We are the future. Remember, every small step counts. Did you know trees provide oxygen? They help us breathe. We need oxygen to live. Forests are home to many animals. Trees provide us shade and shelter. Rivers give us water. We need water to drink, wash and grow crops. Animals help pollinate plants and maintain the food chain. We can create a world by reducing. Use reusable bags and containers. Imagine waking up for birds chirping, seeing green trees and breathing fresh air. Imagine playing in parks with clean streams and happy animals. We can make this happen. So, let's take a pledge to protect our earth. Support organizations planting trees and protecting wildlife. Plant trees, reduce waste, conserve water, and support eco-friendly choices. Tell others about taking care of the earth. Together, we can make our earth a better place. We are the future. So, let's keep our earth green and beautiful. That's it. Thank you everyone for listening to me so attentively. Thank you.
ठीक है नेक्स्ट एवर क्या है बोलना सागनिक मोंडल पढ़ाना पढ़ चलिए डाके हां साथ में काय करेक्शन मिडल सर मिडल
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है वेरी गुड वेल डन
Thank you, sir.
गुड